The AMERISUN Electric Pressure Washer delivers a strong cleaning performance with its maximum pressure of 2,800 pounds per square inch and 2 gallons per minute water flow, making it ideal for a variety of tasks such as washing decks, sidewalks, and cars. This pressure washer comes with 5 interchangeable nozzles, including a turbo option, allowing users to adjust the spray pattern to suit different cleaning needs, from narrow precision to broad foam coverage. Having passed rigorous testing for corrosion, bending, and water resistance, the washer is designed to withstand tough conditions, operating efficiently across a wide temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Equipped with 8-inch wheels and a low center of gravity, the AMERISUN washer offers excellent portability and stability, making it easy to maneuver around various cleaning sites. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of a ground fault circuit interrupter plug, providing shock protection, and the washer is optimized for use with cold water to ensure the best performance. The built-in soap tank offers convenience by allowing users to seamlessly integrate detergent into their cleaning routine, enhancing the washer's ability to tackle stubborn dirt and grime.